Yeah, okay, so welcome again to the Module 4, Cryptocurrency and Cryptography. Module 4, Unit 3, Utility Tokens. I'm sure by now you should be having more understanding about utility token since I've been yapping about it here. So, service driven and it's tied to ecosystem demand. Let's have a bit more understanding about it today. So this is Passion Pace Global Training Institute. This is our cryptography and cryptocurrency course designed by myself with the help of the Holy Spirit. Yeah, Unit 3, we are on. This is Passion Pace Global Training Institute. We are here to empower revivalists to put on godliness and build legacy. This is the cycle of revival to remind us that everything going on in this world, God is in it, and therefore we want to make a change. We have to allow the Holy Spirit to help us in strategies, tools, and resources on how to make the changes, in which case cryptocurrency and cryptography is one of them. And you see, I'm not against anyone, no, but let me tell you a secret. Some like servants of God, they are aware of these things, they are into it. Don't come and call me that I'm against the servant of God. That's when that one you have made a big mistake, because I don't want to be. Let God help us, lead us, teach us, empower them for us, forgive, and whoever called themselves that God didn't call, God will help us to find a way to get those ones out of the way. But the one that are truly called, whatever mistakes and everything, God will have mercy. Okay, let him be his God. But for me, I'm just telling you the secrets. That's all. Introduction to utility tokens again. So it's designed for access. It is not, this one is not a speculative token where you wonder, oh, it's rising, oh, you keep it there, you hold it for some time, you stake it. Excuse me. The value is tied to directly to the ecosystem demand. Remember what I told you about Costco card, Tesco card, excuse me, Lidl Plus, etc. That's the ecosystem demand, and it's common in DeFi, gaming, and NFT platforms. I've explained what NFT is. We'll talk about DeFi at some point. It's basically decentralized finance. Yeah, it provides functional roles within the networks. That's utility token itself. It encourages user participation as well as loyalty. It strengthens community engagement. If you know that you're going to get £5 voucher for using Tesco, you definitely go and get it, won't you? It anchors blockchain usability. Service-driven nature. So it unlocks premium features or services. That's one of the things. If you notice, like Costco, that's what they do sometimes. You unlock premium features or services. Okay, they can use to pay transaction fees. So let's say you go to Tesco now, you want to make a payment. You can actually use Tesco card if you've been ordering from them for some time, and then you've now made some money. You can use to make payment there. It enables governance voting rights. Tesco may not allow that, but people like cooperative, because they have a card as well. It offers discount or loyalty rewards, and it supports decentralized applications too. It ties directly to user experience and is practical rather than speculative. Excuse me. So, like the everyday analogy now, like a cinema ticket, it grants access to the movie, but it does not grant you access to owning the cinema. So the value of that ticket depends on the demand for the show. If it's not demanded, it doesn't work. And you cannot claim profit from the cinema, like I said. And it encourages participation in entertainment, the practical till not ownership. That's what it is. And same principle exactly applies to utility tokens. So don't forget, the more the user, the higher token demand, and it drives the economy or the ecosystem growth. Okay, if it's scarce, then the appreciation, if it's scarce, then it becomes it appreciates in value. Okay, so you see how, if you see how, like Costco, I use Costco as an example, was yesterday. If you don't have Costco card, you can't even enter. Okay, so staking reduces circulating supply. So you see why they encourage you to stake sometimes, but you see, very, very careful with that staking. By the grace of God, these are the aspects that, with the help of the Holy Spirit, we are looking into for our root out token. Okay, to get it done appropriate way with the Holy Spirit helping us. And it rewards incentivizes holding. Its value is tied to platform adoption. So we'll be working with institutions. This one are talking about godly institutions, okay, that will look into it and adopt with us with the help of adopt our Rootout token. Okay, demand is the key driver in this case. Now, what are the benefits? We'll mention some of them. Ecosystem participation, because you don't have it, you can't use a practical utility. It's not just that you have it, you can use it for you can make use of it for different things. The lower cost you can have through discounts. Okay, you can have like discounts in something because you have it, yeah. Or it can be used, the more you make, the more you utilize it, you aggregate, or you this is what I'm looking for now, for discount, and then you can use it later. Okay, it rewards loyal users, and it strengthens the community engagement, which then increases accessibility to services. Okay, and it promotes innovation in blockchain. What are the challenges? It's risky in terms of misclassification, as security is not a security. It's very vulnerable to market volatility, of course, because some people may have it and then hold on to it for so long. And regulation is at the moment uncertain in some regions, and then there could be a potential misuse in terms of the token sales. So in terms of how much is being sold, how much is available, dependence is also on the ecosystem success. It definitely requires a strong project design. Technical barrier is making it to be limited in adoption at the moment. So we have examples like Ethereum, BNB, BAT, Mana. Okay. So the comparative position is more of a utility token relating to usability and access. They have adoption trend. Okay, I'm just looking at this. That am I sure that I've not duplicated a particular slide? But anyway, let's just go ahead. Don't forget, it provides access, not ownership. This is the recap now. Volatile. When it comes to regulation, adoption, these are its challenges, but it anchors blockchain usability. So that brings us to the end of the Module 4, Unit 3. Okay, thank you. And we'll move on to Unit 4 of Module 4. It looks like we have, but I don't think we have.